In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all images you've posted on LinkedIn. Let's start right at your browser. Open a new tab and head to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn. You'll likely see the official site appear at the top of the results. Click the LinkedIn website to go straight to the platform. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in, so just use your normal credentials and continue. If you manage more than one account, make sure you're in the one where you want to review your images. Once you're on LinkedIn, look to the top navigation bar. You'll see an option labeled Me, typically with your profile photo next to it. Click that to open a small drop-down menu. This is where you can quickly access your personal settings and your profile. From that drop-down, choose View Profile. This takes you to your profile page, where all your information, posts, and activity are organized. Give the page a moment to load fully so everything displays correctly. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Activity. This is the hub for your recent posts, shares, and interactions. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're still on your profile page and not the main feed. Sometimes LinkedIn condenses this area. If there's a link to show more or view all activity, use it so you can access all the available filters. Within the activity section, look for the content filters that let you narrow down what you want to see. Among options like posts or articles, you should see a filter for images. Click Images. This will display a collection of the photos you've posted on LinkedIn from your account. From here, you can quickly review your visual content at a glance. Clicking any image will open the original post so you can see its caption, engagement, and context. This is handy for auditing your brand visuals, finding a post you want to reshare, or ensuring your media is consistent. If you're curating a portfolio or planning future content, this view makes it much easier to spot patterns, gaps, or posts worth repurposing. A quick tip: if something doesn't appear, try a page refresh or switch to a desktop browser if you're on mobile, as the layout can vary. Also, give the page a moment to populate if your connection is slow or you've posted a lot of media. And that's it. By navigating to your profile, locating the activity section, and choosing images, you can see every photo you've shared in one clean place, ready for review or inspiration.